Aliya Danzeisen from the women's organisation of the Waikato Muslim Association is a passionate voice for her community. She has been supporting young Muslim women over many years to stand strong in their culture and faith and to connect to the values and whenua of Aotearoa.
The journey for me, if I think related to connecting with community, it was actually Ann Dysart reaching out to the Muslim community here. We took upon it to then develop the whenua program, which is a 3-year program. We agreed that we needed to work with the youth first. Our youth being predominantly migrant and from refugee experiences, the likelihood is they weren't going to go back home to live where their families were, and they needed to feel a place and to have their taranga waiwai, a place that they can stand. And so they're learning the history, the traditions, and actually hearing it from tangata whenua. You know how it made you feel when someone cared for you. You can see it in a person when they've been cared for. We are now taking whenaua's approach nationally.